Good evening, I'm Melody reporting for Flagstaff News. Today we'll be interviewing environmental scientists Sarah and Matthew and local farmer Emma to discuss the differences of soil quality and insect quantities between ungrazed, moderately grazed, and highly grazed land. Farmers within the Flagstaff area believe that grazing decreases soil quality and also evidently decreases insect population. Here we have farmer Emma Hoberg from Anderson Mesa live to describe her property and experience with grazing.
I've been living and raising cattle for the last 20 years in Anderson Mesa, Arizona, which is approximately a 5-long mesa 20 miles southeast of Flagstaff, Arizona. There are 3 different plots the scientists collected data from. The first plot had never been grazed, the second plot had been moderately grazed for 18 years, and the third plot was highly grazed for 18 years.
And how did they collect the data from Anderson Mesa? Matthew?
Right. My name is Matthew Ford, and I'm an environmental scientist from Corona, California. To conduct our research at Anderson Mesa, we utilized 2 randomized point-intercept transects for each method plot so as to conduct data in a consistent and random manner. To gather the insect data, we made 4 passes on each transect with 30 sweeps per pass at the grass level, while discarding the insects into a Ziploc bag every 2 passes. For the soil moisture data, we gathered soil into tins along each transect and then transported the soil into a lab where we weighed them, cooked them in an oven at 105 degrees Celsius for 2 days, and then re-weighed them afterwards to measure the amount of soil moisture lost.
What were the results that you collected in Anderson Mesa? Sarah?
Hello, my name is Sarah Alharbi. I'm an environmental scientist from Saudi Arabia. And the results from the data collected show that there is a positive correlation between soil moisture and insect population. It is a proportional relationship since as one increases, the other increases and vice versa. From the data, we can begin to hypothesize that the increase in grazing leads to a decrease in vegetation, resulting in less moisture and consequently resulting in less insect populations. In addition, when the animals graze, they step on the soil and interfere with the compactness of the soil. This leaves the soil particles loose enough to be carried away with winds. When the soil particles are carried away, the insects remain exposed and die due to extreme heat and other environmental effects.
Thank you, Matthew, Sarah, and Emma. So as you can see, there is an existing relationship between the amount of grazing and soil quality and insect populations. This research may create headway within legislation to improve grazing practices for the purpose of revegetating our nation's grassland. However, the scientists can't do it alone, and need the assistance of the people to encourage our policymakers to take steps forward progress. Not only would this catalyze a restoration effort, but it can provide a social and economical benefit to our farmers through a decrease in requirement of feed. Consequently, you may also see a decrease in dairy and meat products in this effort to become a nationwide practice. That is all. I am Melody reporting for Flagstaff News.